Welcome to Kharis Tutorials. I'm Simeon Grace. I'll be showing you how to cut an asymmetric flare. It's going to be the base part of the dress. That's what I'll be showing in this tutorial. That's after making your half length, the cutting of the asymmetric flare is what I'll be showing you, and it's just in this video. The cutting and the sewing will be done in this video. And if this is your first time on this channel, kindly note that we upload our cutting and sewing tutorials separately, but this particular video is just in one tutorial. So let's get to work. Okay, the first thing I'm going to do is to fold a full flare. That's a 360-degree flare. And I have two lengths. The first one is 8 inches and the other one is 12 inches. So to do this, I would advise you use a pattern fabric or a brown paper to cut it out first. This is a lining. I'll just place this lining on my Ankara fabric or whatever material you choose to use. Now, the waist measurement is 26 inches. And since this is folded into 8, it's going to be 26 divided by 8. And that's 3.5. Approximately 3.5. So the point where I mark, I have 3.5. Definitely I'll take 3.5 inches round. And to get more understanding about how to cut different types of flare, I have a tutorial which I have made on that. Kindly watch how to make different types of flare. Now, from the point where I marked, the full length of 12 inches is what I'm taking first. 12 inches. So this is my waist measurement divided by 8, and this is the length of 12 inches. So we're going to cut. Now, this is what we have, and I'm going to split this. On the first, I'm going to reduce this to the length of 8 inches. Like I said, I have two lengths. The first is 8 and the other one is 12 inches, which is the longer one. So this is my length of 8 inches. I'm going to reduce this to 8. And of course, on the other flare, first I need to get the middle. And this is the middle. This is the middle. So I will also maintain my 8 inches to the middle of my flare. That's my 8 inches. And from there, I'll continue to bring it down till it aligns with the 12 inches. So from here now, I'll take 10 inches. Or first I'll take 9. Then I'll take 10. Take 11. And then my normal 12 inches. So I'm going to trace it out till I get to the 12 inches. And like I said, this is to be done on a pattern first. So what I'm going to do from here is to place this exactly what I have I'll place it on my Ankara fabric to cut. So just like I rightly said, just place your pattern on the Ankara fabric and cut. Alright, so this is my fabric and my lining. In case you choose to turn the edges of your flare with bias, this is what you're going to do. You place the bias. You can see I've opened one end of the bias. You place the bias this way and the lining on it so as to turn the edges, so to go round on the two flare. I've done mine and I've turned with the lining. So I have my bias on the two edges of the flare. Now, to continue the sewing, we're going to pick it this way. I already have my lining. I've turned with the bias. And the next thing I'm going to do is to bring these two edges together. I'm going to turn my fabric, bringing the two edges together. Then I'll turn the lining on the other hand and I'll join this together. Let me just take that again. This is my flare. I already turned with lining. So all I'm going to do now is turn this, bringing these two edges together. I'm going to turn the other flare on it, and to join, I'll make sure I turn my lining and I'll join this. So let's see what we have after joining. So I've joined the flares together. After joining, let's see what we have. So this is what we have after joining, and we have our asymmetric flare, and I can easily attach this to the base of my half length, and there we go. So I guess we've come to the end of our tutorial. Till I see you next class. Bye.